Hi Capricorns, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute and Finite Healing. And I wish you all a very, very, very happy new. Oh my god, what's the matter? Why everything is falling down? Alright, Capricorns, you should be ready for some delay in life, but we'll still work on that. So don't you worry about that. See, what I'm going to do is I am going to remove 12 cards for each and every month, so that you get a trailer of what is actually going to happen in this year. So this is a nice trailer for you all. 1, 2, 3, 4, all right, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You need to let go. Even now my cards are a little okay, they're not being able to manage itself. So these are some small messages that we get when we read. So Capricorns, you need to let go a lot of whatever might have happened in the last year. Don't hold on to it. How to let go? There are many prayers, there are many switch codes, there is so much that we can do. You can definitely contact us for that. So we'll be reading for each and every month for that matter, so that you get a little trailer about what to do in each and every month, what to expect from each and every month, and what to expect from the year overall. Right. So the year starts in Jan with toggling in two situations. So we'll juggle between two situations. So mother, wife, children, wife, uh, two women in life, two friends, So there will be a situation in January where you will start juggling in two situations, but it all ends by February, because February you will start something new. You will put a base to something new, so that the coming year, this base that you put in February, you will reap the fruits. That's amazing. Then we go to um, March. March is also a very good year overall, because you see success from all directions. These are 8 wands. You see success from all directions. So you can look up to February and you can definitely look up to March. April is a time of introspection, being spiritual, redeeming all your blessings that you've had, and being very happy about your own self, getting to your own self, because this energy that you get will be very much required in May. You might see a little financial trouble, no issues. All right. So this resource will help. And again, whatever I'm talking is just a trailer. It doesn't mean that the whole month will go very bad. It's just a trailer. So if there is an issue that I feel I should be telling you right now as a GPS system. So yes, introspect in April. Start working from April itself for money. You can burn green candles, you can do switch codes. There are money rituals available even on my channel, or you can contact us also. Yeah, fair. June becomes, you'll be very creative. You'll meet a lot of creative people in June, and you'll have many options in June. So don't you worry. The only thing in June which I need you to address is your execution ability. So you will get a lot of creative people, you will get a lot of creative thoughts, you will intake a lot of creativity, but while executing, you might procrastinate. So that is something very, very important. You need to understand that in June, especially. July, you're meeting someone. Overall, only I say that 2023 is a year of relations for many zodiac signs. I've seen that people are meeting their soulmates or good relationships in this year. Even you will meet someone in July. Yeah. Or at least some good relations, some good friends. And but new ones. This is what I'm saying. Not someone who will come back in your life. Some new people. Mhm. In August, you will benefit from someone um, who's very vulnerable or who's very emotional, especially woman energy or feminine energy. Even if it is a man, he might be having feminine energy more. All right, you will benefit with that in August. September, new business, new life, like a new beginning for you all. You'll get a lot of good ideas. You'll execute also in September. It'll be like a new changeover. Maybe you'll change your place or something. So new changeover, especially for people who are in business and self-employed. So, yeah, you would take up new opportunities. It's a very, very good card. Um, October tells me that you might get into a stubborn zone, and that will be very stressful for you and people around. All right, I know you want to, that the new opportunity has come to you, you want to control it and you want to see that everything is just amazing and taken care of, but don't get into the frequency of stubbornity. That is what is shown in October. November, you will have money, but still you will feel that you don't have. Maybe that's the insecurity that you developed since May, because you might have faced a certain financial issue in May. But you have to let it go there. I have already told you that this is the year of letting go as well, even with relations or even with your patterns. See, not every time you have to let go a person. You have to also let go your patterns which are not serving you. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Amazing month, December. You have money, you have peace, you have relationship, everything. You could actually download this card from the internet and start meditating on it from January itself, so that your year goes very dilute and very nice. Unless I always say, unless you learn your lessons, nothing is going to help you. And I've told you what lessons there might be. Letting go is the first lesson that you have to learn in this year. I hope it really helped you. Overall, yes, I like it. Creativity, money, relations, lovely, lovely year you'll be having. I'm very happy with your reading. All right. So I'll see you soon. Have a very, very, very amazing year ahead. Bye bye.